Hello guys, we're gonna be going to a car wash today here in El Paso. This will be at the Splash and Dash car wash on Resler. And there is a guy blocking, typical El Paso drivers for ya. Like standing right in the middle. Okay, that was weird. Okay. Let's see, so this is the car wash. There's no one behind me so I can show this. These are not Vector Rapid washes, but these are another kind. I don't exactly know what kind these are, but they're not Vector Rapid washes. They used to have Vector Rapid washes here, but they replaced them about a few years ago. There's your car wash menu. I'm going to be getting the $6 car wash because I am on a budget. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and roll my window down. Open 24/7. Let's see here. Okay. I want to stop the video here for now and I'm going to pay for my car wash. But I'll be getting the $6 car wash. Pause if you want to read. There is your money machine. I'm gonna stop it here for now so I can pay for it. Alright, I just paid for it. Money machines are about the same in Tucson. This is not a Condor either. If anyone can tell me what kind of Belanger car wash this is, I would love to know. I know FAE Car Wash Addict, you will love this. There we go. It just rained today and people are probably wondering why I'm getting my car washed. So I can get a perfect view for the drive back tomorrow. Oh, it's a Saber! That's what it is. This is a Belanger Saber. Pretty cool. These are the optics of El Paso. These Belanger Car Washes. The front needs to be cleaned the most, or to dry the most. These dryers are not that strong. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. You can see the other car wash, and now there's another guy getting his car washed, even though it barely rained. That'll be it. I mean, I just got mine washed so that I would get all the bug stains off before I go back to Tucson. And there they are, and that's it.